Isn't it frustrating when you are new to business and there's no one to support or buy from you? Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how small businesses like yourself can start and grow with little to no budget in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, this video is packed with tips and tools to help you succeed. Selling when you don't even have an audience, and marketing without breaking the budget. Before we get started, I'm Sophie H. I'm a certified digital marketing specialist and also a professional marketer. And if you are new to this channel, a very big welcome to you. Follow us on this channel to learn new AI tools, marketing tactics, and other useful content to boost your marketing and build your business. So let's get started. Whether new businesses, you need to learn selling skills. This is essential when you are starting out because you need to understand your audience and who your business is catered to. First of all, you need to think about the people in your audience who will get value from your product or service and focus on talking to them. As an example, I have this resistance bands here, which is a fitness tool. So who do I market to? For example, I have Johnny, who is an avid fitness guy who likes going to gym. And another is Jane. She is a business professional who don't have time to go to the gym and on a budget. So when I think of this product, I will market with these benefits. When I talk about this resistance bands, it is of course of durable quality product which can withstand all rigors of intense workouts, making them reliable. But of course, you need to address the essential pain point, which is of course, it is designed to be compact and lightweight, allowing both John and Jane to take them anywhere and to make their fitness journey hassle-free. This being a fitness tool, it is designed for beginners. John and Jane can maximize this simple tool to accommodate to their own fitness regimes. So think about your audience pain points before you market to them. Marketing your business in the virtual world is essential to stay on top of the game and compete with the onslaught of other competitions. As a business owner, or if you're a marketing manager, you can't be left behind. If you want to expand your business, you need to keep up and keep moving. The answer is simple: leverage a proper marketing funnel. The process of converting leads is about identifying and connecting with those who can use your products and can derive the value-added benefits. So you need to identify their interests, the problems that your products can solve, understand your customers' behaviors, and produce contents that can attract them, essentially buy from you. These are the golden rules that you should remember. The 3 C's. Capture. This is the critical first step where you identify and connect with your customers who have a problem and they have pain points that you should address. So you have a product that can enable them to achieve their problems. You can use social media to create content or even create content marketing on your website via articles or videos that address solutions to your customers. The next is of course to create content that gets people excited about what you have to offer, but also keeps them engaged so they don't forget about your products or services. The more leads you collect, the better your chances of closing sales. And if you're starting out with no budget for marketing, you can use email marketing using the freemium model of MailChimp. And this is a great start if you want to build your list and build your audience. And this is an effective tool if you are starting out. Lastly, closing. It takes time for your customers to come in, get familiar with you, and become engaged. You can offer them solution and address their problems, they will be interested to get to know about your business and also eventually buy from you. Customers are just like people, they are enticed by promotional offers and even discounts. So if you have your audience who are new, you can of course provide them discount codes. When building your email list, think about it again, because your first time customers can be your repeated buyers over and over again. So remember to build your audience list by email marketing. The next thing you need is having the right marketing tools. In today's digital age, it is easier to start a business with minimal capital. Thanks to a plethora of free digital platforms, you can create, promote, and manage your business efficiently. So let's explore some of the free tools available in 2024. Having a website is the most essential part of any business, because your audience will know that you are legit and able to trust you as a business. If you're looking for a digital solution that you can build your website, you should check out Acquit. It is a fantastic website builder. It allows you to create stunning websites for free. Their drag and drop builder is super intuitive. It offers a range of templates that suit various business types. So you can do the website with Acquit without any upfront cost. It is free for use. Acquit offers a completely free forever plan. You can eventually upgrade, and if you see it fits the need. I did a tutorial which you can learn about it. Of course, you won't be able to do any marketing if you don't have pretty visuals, and I would recommend Canva. Canva is an amazing graphic design tool that's perfect for everything, from social media posts to even creating your posters. With its user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, you can create, design professional-looking graphics without spending a dime. Plus, their free version is packed with features that will cover most of your needs. Or you can use Adobe Express, which is also free and includes thousands of templates. Not forgetting, it includes design assets, quick actions, and amazing features to gear up for non-designers. So I have a tutorial if you want to know more about it. Another marketing tactic that you should not overlook is email marketing. This is a key aspect when you grow your business, and MailChimp is a great free tool for this. MailChimp's free plan allows you to send up to 5,000 emails. Plus, they have analytics to help you understand your audience better. Another vital marketing tactic is, of course, social media. This is a powerhouse for building your audience. By creating engaging content and interacting with your followers, you can grow your audience organically. When it comes to social media, you should not underestimate the power of community. And I'm talking about TikTok. In the recent years, TikTok has risen up to the occasion because it has the highest proportion of small business owners. And when it comes to creating content, this is the best approach, because you can create organic content like UGC. You can even start a live videos to promote your products. It is an effective platform for small businesses, allowing you to engage with your audience and also to share about your thoughts and opinions, and to showcase your products and services to a larger audience. The key to being successful in TikTok is to create organic content and be authentic. Most audience nowadays comprise of younger audience like Gen Zs, who rely on reliable and trustworthy business owners. So you should keep in mind when you create content for your audience, keep it simple, keep it short, and keep it snappy and to the point, of course. So I hope you gain as much takeaways. Starting a business or starting from scratch with little to no budget is entirely possible when you have the right strategies in place and using the right. By leveraging on these strategies and using platforms, you can create a strong foundation for your business and grow your audience effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Plus, I have a special consultation service where you can talk to me through my Calendly link down below. And if you have any issues with regarding to starting your business, or you need recommendations for any digital platform, do hit me up, and I hope to talk to you. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. Keep safe and take care.